Imagine when you were 5 to 6 years old, from that mind's perspective. What did you think Mother Earth was plagued with? What kind of problems? So what I did is I asked a bunch of kids in that age group here in my neighborhood, and you know what was the number one problem? It was pollution. Trash, to be specific. They thought that trash was the biggest problem in Mother Earth. Hi, I'm Ivan, and I just have a passion for art. Whether it's painting, telling a story, or just creating, I have a passion for art. See, if you look from that lens, from a 5-year-old, you might be retooling yourself to creating something better. And I hope you find the 5-year-old self in this art. Thank you for watching and have a great day. So here we are, we're gonna draw those two girls that came up with that wonderful solution. Well, not solution, it's really a problem. Pollution specific trash. Trash being one of the problems, and they repurpose the trash to some toys. So here are two little girls. So I'm gonna draw the first one and the second one right here. What I'm using right here is just a regular pencil. I'm gonna use a little bit of charcoal and probably some markers to create this wonderful piece. I mean, it's just gonna be real quick. So we'll see what that looks like. And I'm gonna do it quick, right? I'm gonna spend no more than 10 minutes. I'm gonna try to do it just in 10 minutes. Draw these two little girls that I took a picture of, and it was amazing because they repurpose, re-engineer this trash. What used to be someone's waste is these two little girls' toys. And I think that's pretty amazing. And earlier I said that they had a problem. They pointed out planet Earth, but really it's a solution. And to look at ourselves, how can we live with that mindset? I don't think this girl looks that good, but it's just a quick one, and the focus is going to be the toy, right? The toy. I'm going to draw the second one real quick. And the second little girl had a cast in her hand, a pink one. She had broken her hand and it was recovering. So there it is, the cast. And then there she is, and she was holding her toy that she made out of trash. And I know these kids look, I guess, bigger than 5 to 6 years old, but I think that they were in that age group, maybe a little bit bigger, older. And then this one had some pretty cool sandals that said no. And then this one said chill. And I'm just gonna quickly draw the eyes, the nose, and the mouth, and give her some hair. And she was holding a ball that she had given some legs. I don't know what she used for the legs, but then she used Coke bottles, the caps, for the eyes. And then for the ears, she used one of those stringy things on either side. And then another smaller, looked like a button. And then she drew the face, or the mouth, sorry, the mouth, with marker. So that was her toy that she repurposed, and I thought it was kind of cool because it looked like I said, some sort of ball. And this one had what looked like a robot, because it was out of a cereal box, and again the caps of a Coke bottle for the eyes, and then something like rectangular for the nose, and another thing that was rectangular for the mouth, and some stringy things for the legs, and then paper. Out of paper was the shoes, out of paper, and then stringy things for the arms, and paper was also used for the hands. And I thought, man, what a great idea. Taking someone's trash and using it to create something that can be used. Nowadays, you buy a toy for a kid, and depending on the toy, it just lasts for an hour, or even just 10 minutes, or even less than that. So if we can create something out of trash and play with it, I think that's phenomenal. I think that's amazing what these two girls did. So here's the robot. I'm gonna call it a robot, and I'm gonna call it Panda the Ball. Panda the Ball robot. The iRobot and Panda the Ball. And two little girls. Again, this one had a pink cast. Had some sandals that said no chill. This one had boots, some black boots. And then she had jeans with some flowers, some beautiful flowers on her jeans. This one had shorts. That was pretty cool. And then some shirts, and they were both smiling because they were super happy of what they created. Fantastic. And I'm gonna draw the background real quick. So it's like a sidewalk, part of a sidewalk, and then there you go, the sidewalk, and they were kind of on the edge of another sidewalk that went like this, and then this one had like some plants right here, some plants, and then here's the kind of like the parkway, some more plants and some grass, something like that. So what do you think? I think it looks pretty cool with the focus of Panda the Ball and iRobot. Fantastic. So look, what did you think? Were those girls on point or what? They repurposed trash to create a toy. Now, that can be a lens for us to retooling, to re-engineering ourselves to create something bigger. So now look at things from a 5-year-old lens. See what you can create. Thank you, and thank you for watching. Subscribe, write comments, and have a wonderful day and weekend. Thank you.